have said that the plane tried to land on the runway, but it failed. On that, let me bring in my colleague Rucha. Rucha, take us through the ground updates. What are you learning so far as far as the rescue operation there is concerned? What are the eyewitnesses saying?
Hello.
All right, we'll try and reconnect that line with my colleague Rucha. Let me once again bring in Arunil. Arunil, take us through the ground updates. What are you learning so far from Baramati, and what are the eyewitnesses saying on this?
Well, as per the eyewitnesses, what they have been saying is that this was a private chartered aircraft of Ajit Pawar in which he usually travelled in. It was an Learjet aircraft which he usually used. He was campaigning during elections. It was supposed to land in Baramati, that was his home constituency. Unfortunately, it failed to land over there, and it skidded off, collided in in a nearby valley. The visuals are extremely horrific. Akansha, it happened early morning today, and the visuals, as per the visuals, you can see charred pieces of the aircraft. You can see the smoke billowing out of the aircraft. Immediately, the fire tenders were rushed to the spot, but efforts were made to save.
कार्यकर्त्यांना हवा-हवासा वाटणारा नेता, त्यांच्या जाण्यानं महाराष्ट्रावर दुःखाचा डोंगर कोसळलेला आहे. त्यांचं बोलणं, त्यांच्या कामाची पद्धत, त्यांची प्रशासनावरची पकड, या सगळ्या गोष्टी महाराष्ट्राच्या मनात कायम राहतील. बारामती आणि त्यांचं एक नातं होतं, आणि त्याच बारामतीमध्ये त्यांना मृत्यू यावा हा एक विचित्र योग आहे. श्रद्धांजली त्यांना कधी व्हावी लागेल असं कधी मनात आलं. त्यांनी त्यांच्या पद्धतीचं राजकारण केलं. उद्धव ठाकरे यांच्या मंत्रिमंडळात अजित पवार हे मुख्यमंत्री होते, आणि उद्धव ठाकरे मुख्यमंत्री असताना.
Well, highly unfortunate. The day began with this tragedy that has been reported in Maharashtra, in Baramati in particular, as far as the untimely demise of the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar being reported, and along with others who were said to be on board this private jet that he was traveling. And apparently what has happened that at the attempt of landing, this crash seems to have happened. Pictures that have been coming in from the area itself seems to be like an open field, and that patch completely, that looking at the wreckage, there seems that there was no signs of any survivors there. But we are looking at condolences, messages, people expressing shock. Many of them, as far as the families is concerned, and the netas who were close to Ajit Pawar, or Ajit Dada, that he was also fondly known as, Arunil, they are in a state of shock. They can't express as far as when it comes to what has really happened. The family now seems to be now making their way back to Maharashtra as far as parliamentarians are concerned, because today is also the start of the budget say of the session that we are looking at. But mainly when we speak of Ajit Pawar, or fondly known as Ajit Dada, that seems to be as far as a message that has been coming across of the kind of development that people have seen on ground, especially in Baramati.
Well, shocking, heart-wrenching for the followers of Ajit Pawar, for the followers of Pawar family, considered to be one of the most influential political families in Maharashtra, Amita, along with the Thackeray family. Ajit Pawar started on the footsteps of his grandfather, that is Sharad Pawar, doing active politics in the cooperative movement which was led by his uncle Sharad Pawar, that is cooperative banks, be it the cooperative farmer movements in Western Maharashtra, in the Khandesh region of Maharashtra. Later on joined active politics in 1991 as a Lok Sabha member from the same Baramati region. This is extremely shocking. In fact, at the hospital where the mortal remains are kept now, there are family members like Rohit Pawar, the nephew of Ajit Pawar, as well as other leaders like Anil Deshmukh, Parth Pawar, the elder son of Ajit Pawar, have reached the hospital. Thousands of supporters of the Pawar family, Ajit Pawar himself, have reached the hospital. Many of the supporters used to fondly call Ajit Pawar as Dada. In fact, when we recently interviewed him in Pune around 20 days back as well, we saw the kind of love and adulation that Ajit Pawar basically enjoyed or shared with his party workers or with his supporters as well. Yes, there were controversies. Yes, there were serious allegations leveled by none other than CM Devendra Fadnavis himself, with whom Ajit Pawar ironically is in the government as the deputy CM. There were serious allegations of 70,000 crore of irrigation scam. There was a recent allegation against his son Parth Pawar as well in the Mundwa land deal. We have questioned Ajit Pawar on those aspects, but nobody can deny that Ajit Pawar was a people's man. He was a politician who started his day very early in the morning, meeting his people, traveling from one constituency to another. Right now also he was campaigning for the local body elections. Ajit Pawar was a very busy politician.
Well, the
he has been seen
popularity
as
of
a
Ajit Pawar, Nilesh, knows no bounds, especially in Baramati, and the people there are also in a state of shock. They have been expressing their griefs and condolence messages that have also been coming in, but people on ground deciding to also shut shops today as far as this shocking news that they have received.
Well, yes, indeed, Amita, it is a massive update that we had to report late this morning. An unfortunate incident. Now, Baramati happens to be the stronghold of the Pawar family members. People there see them not only as a political figures or leaders, but one of their family members, and which is why the entire Baramati is currently mourning. These visuals have emerged from Baramati, where we can see a call for Bandh has been called into Baramati. All are now reaching out to this particular hospital wherein Ajit Pawar's mortal remains is currently being kept. So all of those individuals, along with tall political figures, not limiting to the state of Maharashtra, but national political leaders, are also reaching out to Baramati's hospital. What we understand that leaders from the opposition parties are also making way out to Baramati. A few moments back, it was NCP SP chief Sharad Pawar left from Mumbai from his residence Silver Oak, who will be reaching out to Baramati. What we understand, senior leaders from national politics, that is leaders like Amit Shah and others, will also be reaching out to Baramati anytime from now. Meanwhile, DCM Eknath Shinde has also left from Mumbai, with all state events or programs which were lined up has been called cancelled. And a few moments back we heard Sanjay Raut as well from the UBT Sena, who for long has been into strongholds with Ajit Pawar between Mahayuti and Vikas Aghadi. But today he was also heard stating that it is a massive loss for the state politics, a big stone onto the chest of Maharashtra with demise of Ajit Pawar. He was known as not only a political leader but also a people's leader who was quite open of his ideologies and his statements. Now remember, it was alliance with Devendra Fadnavis.
As it is being said, that was Ajit Pawar, someone who would break into a joke right in the middle of serious press briefings also. That is something that he would be now fondly remembered with. Rucha, you may have also attended several of those press briefings of Ajit Dada that he was called. But this is a time that the people are coming together to mourn his untimely demise, his loss that is being said to be massive, especially for the state of Maharashtra.
Well, clearly, Ajit Pawar is someone who has closely worked with every party. If we talk about Congress, BJP, Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde or UBT Shiv Sena, he has closely worked with each and every political leader, and everyone is sharing condolences, expressing condolences of this incident, and everyone is remembering Ajit Pawar. He was someone who always knew how to make a serious situation lighter. He was known someone who always worked on ground. And if we talk about the rural Maharashtra, if we talk about the farmers of Maharashtra, it may be someone from the sugarcane factory, the sugar business, or if we talk about the finance ministry, he has tremendously worked in every field, and he was also a finance minister of Maharashtra who was very soon going to present budget for Maharashtra. And before that this incident has taken place, it was a very saddening information that everyone has received this morning, and now all the leaders from state to national leaders, everyone is reaching Baramati, and Baramati is
अतिशय परखड स्पष्ट वक्तेपणा आणि प्रशासनावर असलेली त्यांची पकड आपण पाहिलेली आहे. प्रत्येक गोष्टीचा त्यांना बारीक अभ्यास करून बोलण्याची सवय होती आणि परखड स्पष्ट वक्तेपणा, निर्भीड, रोखठोक बोलणारे असले तरी सुद्धा त्याला चूक म्हणणारे असले तरी सुद्धा अतिशय मनाने ते निर्मळ होते. याचा अनुभव मी स्वतः घेतलेला आहे.
what was wrong, he always considered that as wrong.
मंत्रिमंडळात देखील काम केलं. मी मुख्यमंत्री असताना त्यांनी
I have closely worked with Ajit Pawar.
आणि जेव्हा मुख्यमंत्री मी असताना मुख्यमंत्री माझी लाडकी
When I was a chief minister,
इतरही योजना जेव्हा आम्ही सुरू केल्या तेव्हा
from Ladki Bahin to all the other schemes,
घडी आहे.
when we started all those
आर्थिक
schemes,
तरतूद जी आहे ती अतिशय उत्कृष्टपणे
he made sure that the finance
त्यावेळेस
is
केली.
provided properly. He took care of the finance
त्याचा अनुभव मला
department.
आहे. आणि एकदा करायचं ठरवलं की ते अजितदादा करायचे. करतो, बघतो, पाहतो असे शब्द त्यांच्या डिक्शनरीत नव्हते.
Ajit Pawar did what he promised. He never made any vague statements or fake promises.
मी असेन, मुख्यमंत्री देवेंद्रजी असतील, अजितदादा असतील, आम्ही टीम म्हणून काम केलं, टीम म्हणून काम करतो.
Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Dada have always worked as a team.
वेगवेगळे आम्ही पहाटे उशिरापर्यंत काम करतो. अजितदादा पहाटे लवकर काम सुरू करतात, देवेंद्रजी दिवसभर काम करतात. आणि
Ajit Dada starts his work early morning.
अधिकाऱ्यांनी आणि लोकप्रतिनिधींनी पाहिलेले आहेत.
At 6 a.m. also he had many political appointments.
महत्व आणि वेळेचं भान ठेवणारा
He was very particular about the time.
खरं म्हणजे काल परवाच
It is unfortunate that we have lost
कार्यक्रमामध्ये
Ajit Pawar.
सरन्यायाधीश आपले भारताचे
We met day before yesterday in a program.
मुंबईत आले होते आणि ते येण्यापूर्वी आम्ही
He was in Mumbai.
एका चेंबरमध्ये बसलो होतो आणि त्यावेळेस झालेल्या चर्चा, गप्पा गोष्टी.
Well, that is Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. He also seems to be making his way out of Mumbai as far as condolence message that he seems to be also giving out, grieving the loss of his colleague and Deputy Chief Minister, as we are looking at, of Ajit Pawar's untimely demise there. Rucha, condolence message that have also been coming in as multiple leaders are also now making their way to Baramati, including the Deputy CM Eknath Shinde.
Well, we are seeing that from Eknath Shinde to Home Minister Amit Shah, everyone is reaching Baramati. And like I said earlier, Baramati holds a special place for Ajit Pawar because that is where he started his career, that is where he spent time in his childhood. And following Sharad Pawar's career path, he also grew from Baramati. And even now we are seeing thousands of people have already gathered at the medical college, the hospital where he was later taken to, and now people are gathering there from the common man, from the farmer of Maharashtra to the Home Minister of India. We are seeing everyone gathering at Baramati to express the condolences and to see him for the last time. And this is very shocking news for the political industry, for political field of Maharashtra, because Ajit Pawar is someone who has closely worked with all the parties. Apart from his ideologies, he has always made sure that he is close enough with each and every person in the field, even if it is Sanjay Raut from Devendra Fadnavis to anyone from the opposition. He has, everyone has good memories about him, and he was known for
Ajit Pawar becoming
his
MLA back in
humor.
1991, representing Baramati ever since. He's been an 8-time MLA that we're looking at, and of course his political journey that has been, but this untimely passing that has now been reported, it is coming across as a big shock to everyone. Let's listen in as far as reactions that have been coming in from political leaders on how they're expressing their condolences.
भी समर्थक है, उनको हमारी तरफ से संवेदना और शोक मैंने बात की सुप्रिया जी से भी और उनकी मैसेज से।
महाराष्ट्राच्या राजकीय आणि सामाजिक जीवनातला आजचा काळा दिवस आहे. आज सकाळी जेव्हा महाराष्ट्राचे उपमुख्यमंत्री अजित पवार यांना मुंबईतून बारामतीला घेऊन जाणाऱ्या विमानाचा अपघात झाल्याची बातमी कळली तेव्हा आम्ही सगळे
महाराष्ट्र की राजनीति का तो काफी नुकसान हुआ है, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र की जनता का भारी नुकसान हुआ है. महाराष्ट्र में उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा अच्छा योगदान दे दिया था और महाराष्ट्र के विकास के लिए वो महायुति के साथ आए थे. नरेंद्र मोदी जी के विकास के एजेंडे को लेकर मतलब वो शरद पवार साहब को छोड़कर 42 एमएलए को लेकर हमारे साथ आए थे और लगातार उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया था. अर्थ मंत्री के नाते भी उनका बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है और विकास का उनका एजेंडा हमेशा रहा है और इसीलिए बहुत एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बहुत अच्छे थे और उनके जाने से हमने बहुत बड़ा नेता को हमने खो दिया है और एक बहुत बड़ा धक्का हमें उसके जाने से लगा है.
अजित पवार का ये एक्सीडेंट में निधन होना ये बहुत ही दुखद और दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. पिछले 40 साल से महाराष्ट्र के राजनीति में मेरे बहुत घनिष्ठ मित्र रहे, उनके मेरे पारिवारिक संबंध रहे. बहुत कर्मठ, अच्छा प्रशासक और विकास की दृष्टि रखने वाले ऐसे वो नेता थे. उनके जाने से बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हुआ है. उनके परिवार को भी काफी उनके ऊपर भी एक बड़ा हादसा हुआ है. मुझे लगता है कि भगवान उनको ये जो घटना हुई है इसका दुख सहन करने की ताकत दे. मैं व्यक्तिगत रूप से और पार्टी की तरफ से महाराष्ट्र के इस पुराने सहयोगी को मैं श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूँ. भगवान उनके आत्मा को शांति दे, वे ईश्वर चरणों में प्रार्थना करता हूँ.
While leaders are expressing their grievances, condolence messages that have been also coming in, multiple of them who are parliamentarians who are in the national capital today, but also something that would affect as far as when it comes to the upcoming assembly proceedings in Maharashtra is also concerned. When it comes to the budget that was expected to be presented by Ajit Pawar, Arunil.
Well, certainly, yes, Amita, he was the finance minister of the state and the budget session was around the corner. Now it is going to impact that. It is also going to impact Maharashtra politics in a massive manner because Ajit Pawar was an interesting figure in Maharashtra politics. Recently, he had grown close to Sharad Pawar as well. In Pune, Pimpri Chinchwad, he contested elections with Sharad Pawar. And around a year back, he had separated from his uncle to join Mahayuti, that is Devendra Fadnavis government. He was the deputy CM and finance minister in the Mahavikas Aghadi government led by Uddhav Thackeray as well, that is the opposition now. So how it impacts the legacy of Sharad Pawar, because Ajit Pawar clearly was being seen as the main successor of Sharad Pawar's politics, at least in Maharashtra is concerned. He had a good foothold, a very good network amongst the party workers of the NCP, and recently when we had interviewed him, that was around 20 days back itself, he had said that Sharad Pawar is my mentor, he is my guru, and I am doing politics only in the footsteps of Sharad Pawar. I don't believe in religion-based politics. I just believe in development-based politics, and that is what Ajit Pawar was. Yes, there were serious allegations against him made by the people who are in power with him at present. That is Devendra Fadnavis, who is the CM now, alleging that he indulged in an alleged 70,000 crore irrigation scam. But Devendra Fadnavis as well as several other leaders also accepted that Ajit Pawar was indeed a popular figure in Maharashtra politics. He was being considered as people's man, a man who believed in development politics, started his day very early in the morning, meeting people from different constituencies. Right now also, he was campaigning for the local body polls. With respect to how Ajit Pawar's career has shaped up till now, he followed in Sharad Pawar's footsteps, growing in prominence in the cooperative-based politics that Sharad Pawar led from the front in Western Maharashtra as well as in Khandesh region particularly, as well as in Marathwada. That was the cooperative banks that were being handled by them, cooperative sugar factories that were being handled by the Pawar family is considered as one of the most influential political families in Maharashtra, along with Thackeray, easily the most influential political family in Maharashtra. There is Supriya Sule, there is Rohit Pawar, again an MLA, there is Sharad Pawar, there is Ajit Pawar, there is Sunitra Pawar, who's Ajit Pawar's wife, also a Rajya Sabha member. So a very strong political family, and Ajit Pawar clearly was considered as the strongest now after Sharad Pawar was aging. So what happens to the legacy of the Pawar family? What happens to the future of the Nationalist Congress Party, which had broken away from the Congress Party? Sharad Pawar had started it. What happens to the future of NCP? What happens to the future of Baramati as well as of Western Maharashtra?
Surprises there as well, as far as his political journey is also concerned. What we also speak up, and many pictures that have been coming in from his family, from his party workers there, and they seem to be breaking down, overwhelmed with grief on this shocking news that has now emerged from Baramati. The locals there who witnessed the crash and the aftermath, they too have been talking about exactly what they saw on ground when the crash happened in Baramati. Let's listen into a few of them.
दुख भरी, दर्द भरी घटना है ये। हमने देखा कि एयरप्लेन जब नीचे आया था ऐसा लग रहा था उसका क्रैश हो जाएगा ऐसा हम सोच रहे थे, तभी क्रैश हो गया। हम देखे कि हमें लगा नहीं क्रैश हो गया है, लेकिन एयर ट्रैप पे उतरेगा ऐसा लगा, उतर रहा है, लेकिन क्रैश हुआ और उसके बाद स्फोट हो गया उसका, जबरदस्त स्फोट होने के बाद वो हम देखने आए। पहले देखा तो उसको आग लगी थी पूरे प्लेन को, और उसके बाद 4-5 स्फोट हो गया विमान में उसका, और उसके बाद बहुत लोग आ गए और उसने निकालने की